Hey there, have you ever wondered how smooth Android Pie is gonna be on your Redmi 4X? Well, today we are gonna talk about just that. I'm Abusan and you are watching Reforitor. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, the ROM that we are talking about in this video is the unofficial Lineage OS 16.0, which is a travel ROM of course. Extra link to the original thread of the ROM can be found in the description below. You can easily flash this ROM like any other travel ROM, and there are tons of tutorials available on YouTube explaining the full process. This is just a review of the ROM after 1 month long of usage. The previous Android Pie ROMs for the Redmi 4X had a lot of bugs like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not turning on simultaneously, but thankfully most of them are fixed in this ROM. You can not only turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth simultaneously, but you can also make the use of Fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone. We'll get there in just a moment, but now let's have a look at other features that Android Pie has to offer. You get the access to digital well-being features in the setting. This feature shows you the number of hours you have spent looking at your phone, number of times you have unlocked it, and the number of notifications that have hit your phone today. Although this feature is in beta, but it does work really well and I like it. Now, let's have a look at the about device. As you can see, it is in fact Redmi 4X and I am running on Android Pie. Also, I am using the Poco launcher as it offers some cool features like sorting by color and hiding apps. By the way, this launcher is now out of beta testing and is available for everyone in the Play Store. It gives me the lovely MIUI feel along with the other features that Android has to offer like split screen and digital well-being. It also has the audio manager which I can use to equalize the phone's audio depending upon the environment and my mood. The picture quality is pretty good too, all thanks to the Google camera and its astonishing AI. Here you can see some samples of the photo that I have clicked from my Redmi 4X. The battery backup is pretty good and I am satisfied with it. It is less aggressive than MIUI, but it is still able to deliver good battery and performance. But most importantly, the fingerprint scanner works in this ROM. The previous Android Pie ROM for Redmi 4X had bugs regarding the fingerprint scanner, which was very annoying. Although the scanner is slower than before, but it is satisfactory in this ROM. Overall, this ROM is pretty good, but it is not completely bug-free. I have only spotted one bug till now, and that's the ability to connect to hidden networks. All in all, I'd prefer you to install this ROM. If you have any other query or suggestion, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Also, let me know if you want me to create a tutorial on how to install this ROM. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and thumbs down if you did not. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.